In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule meetings in Microsoft Outlook. Whether you're coordinating with a team or setting up a quick check-in, Outlook makes it straightforward once you know where everything lives. Start by opening Outlook on your computer. You'll land in your mailbox by default. To switch into your calendar, look to the bottom left corner and click the calendar icon. This takes you to a clean view of your days and weeks, where you can see availability at a glance. From here, go to the Home tab and choose New Meeting. This is the option that sends an invitation to other people. If you only need something for your own schedule, that would be an appointment, but for inviting others, always choose a meeting. A new meeting window opens, and this is where you fill in the details. In the subject line, enter a clear, concise title so attendees instantly know what the meeting is about. In the location field, type a meeting room if you're meeting in person. If it's online, select the Teams meeting option, so Outlook automatically adds a secure video link to the body of the invite. That way, no one is hunting for a dial-in at the last minute. Next, choose the start and end time. Use the date and time pickers to set exactly when you want to meet, and double-check the time zone showing on your calendar, especially if your team is spread across regions. Aim for a realistic duration. Keeping buffer time between meetings helps everyone stay on track. In the large message area, add any notes or a short agenda. Include the goals for the meeting, relevant context, or links to documents people should review. This helps attendees arrive prepared and keeps the conversation focused. Now, add your attendees in the To field. Start typing names, and Outlook will suggest people from your organization. Keep your list to the folks who truly need to be there to make decisions or contribute. If you want help finding a time that works for everyone, click Scheduling Assistant. You'll see each person's free and busy times, so you can pick a slot with minimal conflicts.